the cerebrum, along with group of deep structures, that is hippocampus, amygdala and hypothalamus together forms a structure that is called limbic system. Sometimes it is also called emotional brain because it controls our emotions, anxieties, especially sexual emotions. It can control. That is called limbic system or limbic lobe. The limbic lobe consists of hippocampus, amygdala, and a part of the hypothalamus. These three and cerebrum collectively forms a system that is called limbic system or limbic lobe. Sometimes it is called emotional brain. It controls our body, emotions, sexual desire or lust. Okay, that's it. Next here, the differences between thalamus and hypothalamus. Differences between thalamus and hypothalamus. Thalamus and hypothalamus. This is hypothalamus. First of all, let us see thalamus. Thalamus and hypothalamus. First one. So it is present below the cerebrum. It is present below the cerebrum. It is a part of the cerebrum. It is present below the thalamus. Okay, next. See, thalamus, which controls motor and sensory signals. Which are responsible for controlling the motor and sensory signals. It is thalamus which coordinates motor and sensory signals. Hypothalamus. So yesterday we discussed that. What is? So control center for internal control mechanism, and it is associated with temperature regulation. It is associated with temperature regulation, blood pressure regulation, controlling, drinking, thirst, hunger, etc. These are all controls regulated by hypothalamus. So thalamus, it will not secrete any kind of hormones, but it can secrete several types of hormones. What are those hormones? List our next chapter. In our next chapter, we will keep discussion. Okay, so it will not secrete any hormones. It will secrete several hormones. Those are called hypothalamic hormones or neurohormones. It is also controls synthesis and secretions of anterior and posterior pituitary glands. Okay, so this is the differences between hypothalamus and okay, next one. Second part of the brain, that is midbrain. It is also called mesencephalon. Okay, so the midbrain is present. In between thalamus, hypothalamus of the forebrain and hind brain. Okay, so the midbrain, it is present in between. This region is thalamus. This region is here what I am saying that midbrain, it is present in between thalamus, hypothalamus of the cerebrum or forebrain and hindbrain. So a canal called cerebral aqueduct, a canal called cerebral aqueduct, a cerebral aqueduct that passes through midbrain, So actually, as you see, I have from here, a canal. This canal is called cerebral aqueduct. A canal that is called cerebral aqueduct. A canal that is called cerebral aqueduct that passes through midbrain and connected to hindbrain region. That is cerebral canal. So this region actually, particularly this region is called midbrain. A group of nerves are accommodated in this midbrain region. A group of nerves are accommodated in this midbrain region. These neurons are grey in color. In white matter. Grey color is scattered in the white matter. So generally, as we know that grey matter is outside, white matter is inside. But so the grey matter is scattered. The grey matter is scattered in the white matter. Here, the grey matter is scattered in the white matter. In this region, group of neurons are present. In them, the grey matter is scattered, distributed in the white matter. That is the white. Next one. So generally, it is a part between forebrain and hindbrain. It cannot be easily distinguished. The midbrain we cannot easily separate it exactly from here to here. In such a way we cannot distinguish. The midbrain easily cannot be distinguished as it is enclosed by cerebrum. Therefore, it cannot be easily separated or distinguished. The dorsal portion of the midbrain. Listen carefully. The dorsal portion of the midbrain, it is ventral, it is dorsal. The dorsal portion of the midbrain, it consists of 4 lobes. Those 4 lobes are called, the dorsal portion of the midbrain consists of 4 lobes. These 4 lobes are called 4 lobes. 4 lobes are called corpora quadrigemina. These 4 lobes, dorsal portion of the midbrain consists of 4 lobes. Those 4 lobes are called corpora quadrigemina. This corpora quadrigemina is associated with reflexes of eye and auditory responses. So the corpora quadrigemina is associated with reflexes of eye movements and auditory responses. Auditory means ear responses. So these two functions under the control of 4 lobes. So below the midbrain, this region is called below the midbrain. So this region below the midbrain, there is a small portion that is responsible for muscular and balancing reflexes. It is responsible for muscular and balancing responses. So below the midbrain, there is a small portion that is responsible, that is associated with muscular and balancing responses. Muscular and balancing responses. See, so this is 4 lobes. Below the 4 lobes and above the cerebellum, there is a small portion. That small portion is called below the midbrain. So below the midbrain there is a small portion that is responsible for muscular nothing but muscles and our body balancing responses. These two responses are controlled by below the midbrain region. Next view, see, this is corpora quadrigemina. These two are called These two are called superior. These two are called superior corpora quadrigemina. Superior pair of corpora quadrigemina is called superior colliculus. The superior pair of corpora quadrigemina are called superior colliculus. These two are inferior, lower. So inferior pair of corpora quadrigemina is called inferior colliculus. These are responsible for eye and auditory reflexes. Reflexes of eye. Eye reflexes means what? When we will close our eyes immediately. And auditory responses, what we can hear. After hearing, we will give something response. So these two are under the control of corpora quadrigemina. 4 lobes I said. In that, 2 lobes are superior, 2 lobes are inferior. Those two superior lobes are called superior colliculus. 2 inferior lobes are called inferior colliculus. Okay, that's all. So this is the explanation about midbrain. Next one is hindbrain. Okay, so the hindbrain is located below the midbrain. It consists of dorsally cerebellum, ventrally medullary. Okay, so hindbrain, it consists of dorsally large walnut shaped part that is called cerebellum. In an adjective discussion, they will ask one bit. So what is the shape? And also, how cerebellum looks like? Then what? Large walnut seed. Okay, that's all. So this is dorsally cerebellum, dorsally cerebellum, ventrally post medulla and medulla is parts of present. Okay, so first of all let us see cerebellum. It is just like cerebrum. Most of the head region is occupied by the cerebrum, but a little portion just above dorsal part of the neck, dorsal above the neck region is called cerebellum. Okay, so remaining as it is what we discussed is cerebrum, that only. So see, cerebellum, it is also consists of 2 equal halves, right cerebellum, left cerebellum. Like cerebrum, it is also consists of 2 equal halves, those are called right and left cerebral hemispheres. So outside of the cerebrum looks grey in color, inside it looks white matter. White inside, outside is grey in color. So completely entering is called cerebral cortex. It seems to be 2 halves. It consists of 2 halves, seems to be large walnut seed shape. Okay, so the cerebellum, it is a large reflex control center for muscle body movements and maintenance of body posture. Body posture. Body posture or equilibrium. Equilibrium. Okay. So cerebellum, it is a large reflex center, reflex coordinating center for muscular body movements, muscle body movements, and maintains our body posture and equilibrium. Now I stood. My body maintaining posture properly, equilibrium, maintaining proper bending, bending, bending. While we are riding bike or scooter, running time, dancing time, our body maintains posture with the help of large walnut shaped organ which is located on dorsal side, that is called cerebellum. Okay, cerebellum is also responsible for all voluntary muscular activities which are generating in cerebellum region. All voluntary muscular activities are controlled by the cerebellum. Cerebellum is also responsible for all voluntary muscular activities of the body which are generated in forebrain or cerebrum region. That is the explanation about the hind brain. Hind brain. Okay, so in the hind brain, it is some initial points are similar to the cerebrum. Okay, it consists of two arms, right and left cerebral hemispheres. The cerebral hemisphere external part looks gray in color, internal part looks white in color. The completely external surface is covered by cerebral cortex. It seems to be large walnut seed shapes. It is a large reflex coordinating center. It is a larger reflex coordinating. What reflexes? Muscular coordinating centers of the body and maintains equilibrium. That is the hind brain. In the hind brain, cerebrum I given explanation. Next, pons or pons veroli. It is present just above the medulla. Pons veroli or pons, it is present just above the medulla. Above this region is called medulla. This region is called medulla. Sorry, pons. Pons veroli. Pons veroli. It is located just above the medulla. That is the first step. Next, it consists of group of ascending and descending neurons. It consists of group of ascending neurons which are connected in the brain and descending neurons which are connected to the spinal cord. So these pons just act as bridge in between brain and the spinal cord. Pons means bridge. It acts as a bridge in between brain and spinal cord. In between brain and spinal cord. That is the explanation about pons. Pons veroli. Next, medulla. Medulla oblongata. Next part, medulla oblongata. So, the medulla oblongata, it is located just below the pons veroli. Just below the pons veroli. Below the pons veroli region is called medulla or medulla oblongata. This region, medulla oblongata or medulla. Okay, that is first one. Second one, it contains the bundles of neurons which are ascending and descending, which are connected to the brain and the spinal cord regions. So the medulla continued as its spinal cord through foramen magnum here. So one hole I said, foramen magnum, through foramen magnum. Medulla is continued as spinal cord. Medulla continued as spinal cord. This medulla region consists of bundles of ascending and descending neurons, which are passes across left to right, right to left. See this region specifically I will show. Okay. Forms medulla region. In this region, bundles of ascending and descending nerves arranged across direction. Across direction. Across direction means what? Across direction. From left to right, right to left. In this region, it will be there. In this region, in this region. Why? Ascending and descending neurons, why these are connected across from left to right, right to left? This arrangement is like that. If any damage occurs to right side of the neurons, then we will suffer from paralysis to left side of the organs. If any damage occurs to left side of the neurons, we will suffer from paralysis to right side organs. Okay, that's it. If any damage occurs, left, right. So from left side neurons, if you face any damage, then automatically they will all right side organs gets damaged. They suffers from paralysis. If any damage occurs to right side, left side organs are damaged. Okay, this is next. Since group of neurons passes through medulla, group of neurons from brain passes through the medulla and connected to the spinal cord. So bundles of neurons are connected. Bundles of neurons connected in between brain and spinal cord. That junction is medulla oblongata through. So whatever maybe the neurons are connected to the brain region, that passes through medulla oblongata and connected to the spinal cord. Okay, that's all. So this medulla oblongata, the medulla oblongata, it has a center. The medulla oblongata consists of a center. The center controls various activities of our body. Those activities are first heart functions, heart actions, respiratory actions are controlled by medulla oblongata region. So not only heart actions, respiratory actions, other vasomotor activities. Vasomotor center. Vasomotor center is present in this medulla region. That vasomotor centers controls complex activities such as gastric secretion. So in our stomach, gastric secretion controls sleeping, sneezing, coughing. That is sneezing, as you know that. These are all activities are controlled by vasomotor center, which are associated with the medulla oblongata. Gastric secretion, sleeping, coughing, sneezing, these are all controls. Some conditions when we were in class, we will get sleepy mode. Then our sleeping mode immediately controlled by the vasomotor center. The vasomotor center is associated with the medulla oblongata region. It will control complex activities such as gastric secretion, sleeping, coughing, sneezing, these are all controls. And Basically, medulla oblongata controls heart actions, cardiovascular functions, respiratory movements, inhalation, exhalation. These are all controls. Okay, yes. This is the explanation about what hindbrain.